Right, you can go. So try. That's it. You've got to hold it down. Just wait for that. Use the wheel. Turn the wheel. That's it. That's it. Go on. Dad, come on.
Literally. But obviously she was like, oh, just turn it.
Here you go. It'll run out of battery soon, that one. So. But now you're gonna have to come towards it because it'll run out of signal. Come towards it. As you reverse, you just pull the thing back. I think. No, not the wheel. Did you get my keys? Just to make sure the door doesn't shut.
Yeah, so
He's got his controller, he's got his controller.
how do you reverse it then?
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
So you pull it, so you push it forward. Stop. Yeah, that's fine, I was just making sure. You've run out of signal, so you need to come towards it. And then, I don't know if everybody, can you get out? Just reverse it.
Yeah, it's not doing anything.
It's chasing you. Is it recording? Stop! Alright. So that's still going, that's good. How long has it been recording for? Oh no. Is that coming?
Are you having fun with it?
Are we going to go all the way around the block? Is that it? You don't think so?
We want Carol to get involved, do we?
Oh. Find the gym, should take over them. Right. Okay.